Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fill out the eTravel arrival registration for the Philippines. So before you travel, make sure to complete your eTravel registration since it helps make the arrival process smoother and is required for most travelers entering the country. So start by visiting the official eTravel website and choosing the option for arriving in the Philippines. If you already have an account, simply sign in. If you are a new user, create an account using the email address and verify it before continuing. So once you're logged in, begin a new registration and enter your personal information exactly as it appears on your passport. After that, provide your travel details, including your arrival date, so flight information, country of departure, and the purpose of your trip. You'll also be asked to enter your destination address or accommodation in the Philippines along with other basic travel information. Next, review all the details carefully to make sure everything is correct. If you notice any mistakes, update them before submitting the form. So once you're satisfied with the information, submit your registration and wait for the confirmation to be generated. After completing the process, save a copy or take a screenshot of your QR code since you'll need to present it when requested during your arrival in the Philippines. Keeping it ready on your phone or printing a copy can help make your trip even more convenient. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.